In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to edit the footer of the website. So at this stage, you should be able to edit just about everything on the site. In the next lesson, we're going to take a look at editing the pages, but let's go down to the footer of the website. If you want to edit this footer section here, you can do so and change the content and also edit, the email, this country, region, all this stuff here. So let's go on the back end. From your Joomla back end, right, so let's go back to the dashboard. This is your command center or control center. You want to go over where it says system. And from the system, you want to go to site modules. From the site modules, you want to click where it says bottom section. You have two options here, edit with backend editor. We don't want to do that, or just click on edit with front end editor. Now, if you're not logged in, it's going to ask you to log in. So just log into the front end. But if you're already logged in, it's going to redirect you to this. So let's scroll to the bottom. Let's scroll. So now you have this part. OK, when you click on it, you're going to see that it has all the items. Let me go back here. It has all the items, the coats, dresses, jackets, and all that stuff. So when you come over here, this is where all that stuff is located. It's up to you now if you wanted to change, let's say from coats, or if you want to link this somewhere else, you can put a link, you can put an icon with it. So let me just show you how that looks. So I'm just going to grab any icon here with this just to show you, and then click apply. And then we want to click on, let me go back here. Is this an active item? No. So let's click on save and let's reload this. So once you reload it, you notice that the icon is with this text. So you can add icons if you want to. You can relink them anywhere. You can change anything that you want on there. So now let's go over with the email. You click on here. It's going to pull up the email section. Now I already covered this before, but I want to refresh your memory again. So with this here, you can use any type of mail system, to integrate it with this. So if you're using like a MailChimp or something like that, you can get the form that you can get the embed code from them, and then you can put it on here and utilize this. So it's a simple mail system, and I'm not going to go too deep into the integrations for that, but something like this should definitely get you started on the right foot. And then you have the style. If you wanted to change the colors, if you wanted to change the patterns, you can do so. And then you have the regions section here. It's showing you the different regions that they have. And you can click here, and then it's going to pull this up. You can also edit how that works, horizontal or vertical. And where it says shop online pages, subscribe to our newsletter, you can change those. If you mouse over and you go at the top here, you can put your mouse and click on there. You see pages, which is the same thing as what you're seeing at the footer. And if you wanted to change this image, you certainly can into something else. You can click on this. You can see the options for that row. But again, it's simple for you to make any changes to it. And I've already covered, how to modify. You can use the styling options to change the text colors. You can remove this image and replace it with your own, usually by clicking in the area. And then you go to the general section, and then you can delete this and replace that with anything that you like to replace it with. So this covers the footer section. It's simple and it's easy for you to, edit.